Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change your Ethernet settings in Windows 10. I will show you two ways. First way is to click on the Windows icon here and click on the settings. What you need to do, then click on the network and internet. Here click on the change adapter settings and right click and click on disable. If you want to re-enable these settings or to re-enable the internet, what you need to do, just click enable. Second way to access this place is to go where is your taskbar and right click. Click on the open network and internet settings, then click on the change adapter options and you have again save settings here. Thanks for watching, please like, share and subscribe.